Canva T-Shirt Design's tutorial, Create Top Selling T-Shirts 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I bring you back with yet another tutorial. First off, I hope you all are doing great, and let's get right into the video. So what are we going to be doing today? I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own t-shirt design using Canva. Now, t-shirts are usually pretty difficult to design because obviously you need to put in a lot of work and a lot of art, a lot of collage into it, because you want to make sure the customer that's buying it is attracted to it. So do not worry, we have Canva on the rescue. Canva is going to help us with all our problems, and I'm going to guide you through on how we can do it very easily using Canva. So once we've done it, I'm going to export it and show you how it really looks. So yeah, let's get started and let's get right into it. So first of all, we're going to need to go to canva.com. Now, once you go on canva.com, obviously here's the layout to canva.com. Now, if you have never ever used canva.com, there's a video I have uploaded recently in which I discuss how you can use canva.com. Basically, here's the different designs, different business features, education features. You can go and create designs from here. But obviously what we need to do is create a t-shirt. So for example, you can't see any t-shirt design template over here, can you? So you're just going to go and search your content on Canvas and you're going to write t-shirt. And once you write that, as you can see, here's a t-shirt template. So we're just going to click on it. And it's going to take us to the blank canvas for a t-shirt design template. Now, look at this. There are numerous amounts of different designs that you can use if you want to, but obviously these are the designs that Canva made itself. I want to use something that I create myself. So I'm going to click on create a blank t-shirt, although I will show you what this looks like in general. If we come here, yeah, so that's what it looks like in general. So for example, we want to create a design like this. How do we create it? I'm going to show you right now. So you have this, your blank page. So what we're going to need to do is, first of all, obviously, if we want to create it something like that, we're going to give it a black background. So there's our black background. Now once we've done that, we're going to go to text. And once we go to text, we're just going to click any font we like. We're going to go and click on any font we like. For example, I'm going to click on this one. I like the sale, the way it says sale. So for example, here I'll write techno. I'm just going to write tech. Here I'm going to write freaks. And I'm just going to delete this because, oh wait. I'm going to delete this one because it just ruins the vibe. So I'm going to delete the tech as well. I like this individually over here better. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it and bring it right under this one. I'm going to paste it again and I'm going to bring it above this. There we go. Just going to make sure it's in the right ratios. There we go. Now we can make it look like that. So as you can see, it's almost pretty much similar to that. Now as you can see, this is being faded away. So we're just going to space it a bit because it's maybe a bit too close. Now you can see that those are fading away. So you're going to click on that. You're going to go to opacity. You're going to make it a bit lower and you're going to go on the lowest one and you're going to make it fade even more. And look at that. It looks better already. Wait, you know what? I'm just going to add one more down here. I'm going to make sure. There we go. Now it looks like a proper reflection or a fade out. So how do you add these bars? These bars are added. We're going to go on elements and we're going to go on borders. We're just going to click borders. Now once you click borders, here you can see you find yourself with different bars and different types of elements. So for example, you want to add this bar around it. So you're just going to expand it. We can't see it because you need to change the color from top right. So you just add this and look at that. Just going to make sure it's centered because centering it is key. There we go. Now it's centered. Yeah, it's centered now. And if you want to change all of these together, you're just going to need to, wait, I'm going to push this one out. Select all of them. Center them. Now once you have this centered, there we go. And you're just going to bring this in the picture. You're going to make it position right there. And look at that. It looks like a proper t-shirt design that you would see on a t-shirt. So now what you're going to do is, you know what? Let's make the background blue. Or you can change the color if you'd like to. I like this better. Or you know what, I'll make it a bit of a darker blue. Make it go on the darker blue and turn it to the dark side of it. There we go. It's a navy blue now. So now how do you export it? Basically, this is how you create designs. If you want to create the more high-fi designs, you can just go on templates and you can pick them off and create it however you like. Or if you want to create creative designs like these, like this astronaut one, obviously you're going to need to do more collage or clip art for that. But if you want to know how to do that, just let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. So how do you export this? Where you're going to go on share. And once you go on share, you're going to click on download. Once you click on download, over here, do whatever type of image you want. Preferably PNG is best. You just click on PNG and click on download. Now we're just going to wait for it to download. And once it downloads, yeah, there we go. Now what I need to show you is how all of that looks with a t-shirt. So make sure to delete all your text. There we go. Now that all that's deleted, now I have a custom t-shirt over here. Just gonna bring that in. Now once I bring that in, it's gonna be uploaded. Yeah, when you bring that in, you're gonna upload it. I'm gonna click on the t-shirt just to give you a preview of how our product is gonna look. So here's your t-shirt. Then I'm gonna bring in the photo that we just made, the graphic art. And look at that. We're gonna click on that. We're just gonna crop it down like that, position it. Look at that. Basically, that's how it's gonna look. You can crop it down if you'd like to, like that and like that. And yeah, basically that's your t-shirt design. And if you still want to change the colors, you can just go back and change it from there. You're gonna export it, and this is basically how your t-shirt design is gonna look like. And from here on out, you can export this image, and once you export it, you can go on different websites and you can basically promote your t-shirts. And that's how simple it is.
So, guys, Canva brings you this amazing interface, and in this interface, you can see all these amazing features. Now, I'm going to go through what these features do, which one of them are in the pro trial, and which one of them are in the free trial. So, first of all, you're just going to go in the top left and you're going to see the design spotlight. Now, in the design spotlight, you're going to see all of these great features and templates regarding all different types of canvases. So, for example, if you want to start creating some type of logo, if you want to start creating some type of flyer, banners, posters, resumes, invitations, business card, video intros, you can make it all over here. Or you can just come down here and you can search whatever you like. For example, if you want a business card, so you can search it right down here. Just the way we search t-shirts, you can search anything over here. That's what's great about Canva. And then you can also make collages, graphs, whatever you like. You can also make different types of presentations for your school or your office work, whatever you'd like. There's a whiteboard. If you're a teacher, you can teach your students on it. You can edit PDFs. For example, a lot of people struggle with this with their university assignments and other things. They need to download the full trial of Adobe Acrobat, but you don't need that because you have Canva, and Canva has the greatest PDF editor you can find online. And then you can make different website pages. You can make letterheads, planners, and you can make posts for your social media handles. For example, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you like. You can make Instagram stories. You can make different Instagram blogs. You can make Facebook posts, anything you like. You can even make a YouTube thumbnail video. And there's just a tons of different features that you can use over here. And then if you go in the business section, you can dabble around all the different business features it has and how it can help you with your business. Then if you go on education, over here, Canva teaches you how you can basically educate other people just using Canva. And if you go in plans and pricings, here's where you'll find the free plan, the pro plan, the team plan. Now, obviously the free plan it provides you with almost everything Canva has to provide. But obviously in the pro plan, you can get a few features like you can use different brands according to your canvas designs. Or you can plan different contents if you want to, or there are different types of fonts, elements that you can't use in a free plan. So if you want to use that, yes, you will have to buy a plan. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.